Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how electric man lifts are revolutionizing construction and maintenance projects by offering an environmentally friendly, highly efficient alternative to traditional equipment. If you're looking for ways to boost job site productivity while reducing noise and emissions, electric man lifts might be the perfect solution for you. Electric man lifts have quickly become a go-to choice for contractors and builders. These versatile machines deliver the same height and performance capabilities as diesel-powered lifts, but with a much quieter operation and no harmful emissions. Whether you're working indoors on renovations or outside on new builds, electric man lifts are designed to keep operations running smoothly while minimizing environmental impact. One of the biggest benefits of electric man lifts is their adaptability to a wide range of tasks. For example, they're ideal for jobs that require precision and elevated access, such as electrical installations, plumbing in multi-story buildings, HVAC maintenance, or even detailed inspections. Traditional equipment like forklifts and scaffolding might be cumbersome while minimizing environmental impact. But with electric lifts, you can streamline operations, reduce downtime, and get the job done more efficiently. In fact, one of the main advantages is how these machines improve job site safety and coordination. Thanks to their precise maneuverability, teams can work closely together in confined spaces without the noise and exhaust fumes that typically come from fuel-powered equipment. This not only makes communication easier, but also allows workers to focus more on the task at hand, knowing that they're operating in a quieter, safer environment. By selecting the right electric man lift for specific project needs, you can ensure optimal performance. For instance, if you're working indoors, compact models like the Z30/20N are perfect for navigating tight spaces and reaching hard-to-access areas. These models are designed to fit through standard doorways and elevators, making them incredibly useful for indoor applications like hospital or office building maintenance. On the other hand, for outdoor projects or when you need more reach, lifts like the Z60DC offer extended height and impressive maneuverability, all while running on clean electric power. While minimizing environmental another option that provides the flexibility of both electric and traditional fuel systems. These lifts are particularly useful on job sites with limited access to power sources or where extended operation times are required. Hybrid lifts allow you to switch between power modes, ensuring you always have the right solution for the task at hand, whether you're working in a city with strict emissions regulations or in a remote area where electricity is harder to come by. It's also important to consider the environmental impact of the equipment you're using. As construction sites become more regulated, having machinery that meets emission standards is essential. Electric man lifts not only meet these standards, but exceed them by producing zero emissions, helping companies stay compliant with local guidelines while also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. These lifts also minimize noise pollution, which is a huge benefit when working in populated areas or environments like schools, hospitals, or office spaces where quiet operation is important. We've also found that electric man lifts significantly reduce downtime. Their compact design makes transportation between job sites easier, and their versatility while minimizing environmental impact setups. For construction teams working in urban areas or on multiple projects, this can translate into major time savings. Additionally, these lifts are highly efficient in terms of energy use, running on advanced battery systems that deliver consistent power throughout long work periods without the need for refueling or excessive maintenance. Another great thing about electric man lifts is their contribution to the safety and efficiency of complex projects. Articulating boom lifts, for example, allow workers to access tough-to-reach areas with ease, making them ideal for jobs like overhead electrical work, exterior painting, window cleaning on multi-story buildings, or even tree trimming. This level of precision means you can complete tasks quicker and with fewer errors, further improving overall productivity. In addition to all these benefits, electric man lifts are also a cost-effective solution. With lower operational costs compared to diesel or gas-powered equipment, they offer a great return on investment, especially when considering long-term projects that require continuous, reliable performance. By minimizing fuel costs and reducing maintenance needs,
running
electric
smoothly
lifts
while
help
minimizing
keep your budget
environmental
in check,
impact.
while still delivering top-tier results. So, whether you're working in construction, maintenance, or any field that requires elevated access, electric man lifts provide an all-around efficient, environmentally friendly, and versatile solution. From compact, indoor models to hybrid versions that can tackle rugged outdoor environments, there's an electric man lift for every type of project. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on using the latest technology to enhance your productivity and make your job site more efficient. See you in the next video.